Hey, it's been a while since I've shot a automotive video for the YouTube channel, so I figured I'd do a quick one here. This is my 2009 Ram 1500 Bighorn pickup truck. These are tail light covers that I bought and installed 3 years ago. I got them off of eBay. It's a generic brand. Came unfinished, so I had to primer it, 2 coats of primer, and I put 4 coats of paint on it. I matched the color code on the truck so that we got the correct color of paint. Then I put 3 coats of clear on it. They installed with 3M tape, 2-sided tape. Basically came with the kit, but any 2-sided tape should work. Any automotive grade or weather resistant grade tape should work fine on it. I took 2 days to do this, do all the painting, make sure everything dried up nicely before I installed them on the truck. 3 years of Ohio weather, winters, summers. Held up nicely. Like I said, no chipping, wearing, fading. This is a low-level skill job. Any basic DIY skill level can do this. If it's something you're interested in, something that can be done very easily over the course of a couple of days, allowing the paint to dry, primer to dry, clear to dry before you install it. Thanks for stopping by, checking out the channel, watching the video, and check out my other YouTube videos.